Hello dear our friends, welcome to our channel called Nutrition Educationalist. I'm called Mugabe Emab and I'm going to help you to pass through all about this app WHO Anthro or WHO Anthro Survey Analyzer. So many researchers, for instance nutritionists and other care health providers that dealing about the nutritional status of people. For instance, policymakers, if they want to know the level of stunting, level of wasting, level of underweight at a certain community, for instance, a country, this app can help you to analyze the anthropometric measurement you have corrected in easy way. In this approach, we are going to see how can be done. After, let's start. For instance, after getting you in your laptop or desktop this app, it was looking like that. Let me open it. After opening it, you see it is composed by the three parts: anthropometric calculator, individual assessment, and nutritional survey. Mainly, this app WHO has developed it as an online tool to analyze child anthropometric data, and it aims to promote the best practices on data collection, analysis, and reporting of anthropometric indicators. For instance, height for age, which is shows stunting; weight for age, which is shows underweight; and weight for height, which is show wasting. And also body mass index in this app for age include. And the WHO and UNICEF provide recommendation or recommend in data collection and analysis and reporting anthropometric data. It is mainly used for the children under 5 years old. So by starting to nutritional survey as the crucial one that is mainly used, let's open it. You see after opening how it is look like. But what I'm going to start by using it, we are going to take the file of anthropometric measurement data and analyze them. What you have to make sure, first you have to how to make your file is Excel file. You see, we saved our Excel file in desktop of our laptop. You see here, our Excel file is called Gasovo Village. Let's open it. After opening, our file will be looking like that. What first you have to do, the first you have to save your Excel file in the format that can be imported in WHO Anthro software. I'm going to show you how can it be saved in the form that can be imported in a WHO Anthro software. You will come here and save, click on save as, and to make it easy, we are going to save in our we are going to save our file in where it is easy for accessible. So we save our form in desktop. You see Excel file. Our Excel file will be saved in a desktop, and you see what you're going to do here. Your Excel workbook will be changed in other form. You will choose where the texted tab delimited is. Text tab delimited is. We come here and select where there is text tab delimited. You see here, click on the text tab delimited, then save. Here they're telling us the selected file type doesn't support workbook that contain multiple sheets. And they're telling us that if we click OK, the active only sheet that is one is going to be saved. You see, I have sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. If I click OK, active sheet that is one going to be saved. Yes, OK. Eventually, you see our Excel file has changed in other form. You see the form that is changed from Excel file, how it is looking like. And we come in our app, open nutritional survey. After opening nutritional survey, go to nutritional survey, click on import file, then go to the desktop where we have saved our file called the Gasovo village, then click your file on your file, then open. You see they are telling us couldn't imported the file Gasovo village, the file format is invalid. But the problem here is because our Excel file is still opened. Then close it. Then go back, nutritional survey, import file, desktop where we have saved our file, then open. You see, that is correct. You see, in this app, WHO Anthro software has Anthro field, the survey date, what is going to be next. You are going to create what you have in your table or in your document to what is designed in the app. The survey date, also in your app you have date of survey, and here they are showing us the crust, and in our file we don't have crust, no problem. But if you have correct data, your data, and include the clusters, you have to create your cluster to here. For instance, in id, here we have id, sex, date of birth, age in month. Here we have age in month. Age in month. It means that here you will correlate to what you have in your data field and the Anthro field accordingly. But I want to comment on this here on the crust. For instance, if you have corrected the data in a cluster per clusters, and you know to get the result according to the clusters, and you want to see the relationship and want to compare those clusters, you have to also include the cluster here. Then okay, finally we get the sheet including the data analyzed. You see here there is weight for age, height for age, weight for age, and you want the summary of those data in Excel file. You will come here and you see the motor mile report Excel, but because of we base on the standard of World Health Organization, you will come here to WHO Global Database Excel the format which is in Excel. Then click and save, and wait a little bit. You see here in our Excel the result. Here they are showing us the sex combined, the result about the sex combined. You see the age group, the weight for age, here the length and height for age, which is stunting. Here they are saying weight for height, which shows wasting. And also they are showing us the female honor, female honor and male honor, and the sex combined. Also it's easy if you know to interpret those information. It's easy to get more and more about what you want to know. Let's go back and show you another thing in this app. For instance, if we come back in our Excel about the age group, they are showing us the 0 to 5 months as independent age group, and here 6 to 11 months as independent group. And also you want to get age group according to your wants. For instance, you want 0 to 12 months. I'm going to show you how can you set it and get the result. You will come here and click here in the options. You see, if you come here in the option, they are showing us how can it be done. For instance, if in your document include the clusters, you will come here to set about the clusters, the cluster. For instance, you will come here and click on here in the cluster. For instance, here we are talking about to age group in months. You will come here, if you want age group from 0 to 12, you will put here 0 and here 12. And if you want the second one to be above 12 to 24, you will come here and edit accordingly. Then click reset. You will set according to your wants. For instance, and if you want to get the result according to graph, you will click here on the result. You see how it is looking like. And if you want to add the line of information, you will come here and click on add and type required information, then save. And if you want to delete the certain line, you will click on that line, then click on delete. And if you want to open the selected record, you will click here and open. And if you want to cancel the current change, you will click here and cancel current change. And then if you want to save the current change, you will come here and save the current change. For instance, we have seen that our file is called the Gasovu village. It is saved here. You will also save, it will be saved. And if you want to delete all file, you will come here and click here. Then If you want to delete, then delete. And if you want other file, if you want to analyze other file, also you will come here and click add new survey. After clicking in add new survey, you will continue to nutritional survey, then import file. And also after importing file, you will go there where you have saved the file that is changed from Excel file to be imported in this app. Then click in open. It will be saved in, it will be imported in this app. Then you analyze and interpret the result you want. For instance, if we come back in our file called Gasov Village, you see how it is. I suspect we have finished to see the all crucial information about this part of nutritional survey. Let's jump to the second part. Let's jump to the second part. Let's jump to the second part. Then close this. Let's jump to the second part called individual assessment. For instance, you have the many people and you want to assess one by one. You will come here and click on individual assessment. Then click here add the new children chart. After click here in the new chart, add new chart, you will fill all required information about to that individual and come here, click in add new visit. Then record all anthropometric measurement you have measured. Then save. For instance, here it's called a marble. Last name is, and then fill last name is female. Here you will include date of birth. Let's use 2nd November. You see age in month has this chart has 12 months, and here you record name of mother, father, and the address, and come here and visit. For instance, date of visit is 15th November 2023. Then let's say my work is 14. Let's say hey, weight is the 9, length is 77 days measured by combat, because the child is less than 2 years old. Then edema no. Then you can say not observation, and say stable, physically stable, already exist a visit. Okay, the same date. Then there already exist a visit of the same date, because of we have other one like that. They are telling us like that. It's easy. It's easy. Then go back. You see, you see how it is, the visit, weight for height or measurement, everything is included. And if we have finished to fill the data for that individual, if you have finished to fill the data of that individual, you will come here and add new visits. The problem here is about the date of visit. You will change it accordingly to what is correct. Then after adding new visit, then save. After saving it, and you see, for instance, here is Mugabe. Or about here, if you want new visit, we come next to the first one. You add will come next to this first one, and you want to add the second individual, you will come here, add new chart. And if you click on add new chart, all information going to be filled here. It's all about to that new chart. And if you click here to add a new visit, you will record the visit next to next one accordingly. It's easy. So thank you. I suspect have also seen all crucial about this app. And if you want to generate the chart report, you come here and click on generate report. And if you want to cancel the changes, you will click here, and if you want to save, you will save. And everything, it's also visible. Let's go back and run how the first part is used. So the last part we are going to talk about is anthropometric calculator. You see, it is calculator. It works as calculator. Here you fill all required information and then calculate and shows about the anthropometric indicators. For instance, here is weight for length, weight for age, length for age, BMI for age. Let's do an example. Date is here and weight is here, and start measured combat. You see, this child has 11th month. You see, all measurement is here. And if you know to interpret the data or the result from this measurement, it is easy. So I suspect you have learned a lot about how to use this app, and if you meet the stuck during using this app, don't hesitate to write for us. We will help you, no problem. And if you appreciate what we did, comment and subscribe to our channel if it is first time for you, and we shall meet you in next upload. Thank you very much.